Hi guys! So welcome back to our channel. For this video, we've chosen to do something a little different.
Okay, so for this video, we've decided to do a before and after reaction to a movie that we've selected. So the idea is pretty basic. We're going to be watching the trailer in front of you guys and we'll react to the trailer. And we'll also give you a complete reaction of us after we complete the movie.
So the movie we've chosen for today is Ludo, the Netflix movie that released on 12th of November 2020. We're a little late to the party, but why not? The movie was released by Anurag Basu and the cast is completely loaded. It has everyone from Abhishek Bachchan to Rohit Saraf, Sania Malhotra, Fatima Sana Sheikh, and the list keeps going. So to begin with, let's watch the trailer.
I did not understand a word what was going on.
I did not understand what the movie is about. I did not get anything.
I mean, is it about the money? Is it about the
Kidnapping?
girl who was kidnapped?
Oh God.
I do not know what this movie is about. And okay, I get it. Like you're depicting it like a Ludo, and
There are like four
different
parts.
stories.
But I don't get what they want to prove. Like there are parts, but what
Also-
are in the parts? I don't know if I'm confused or intrigued.
Also, I don't know what's the common link between all four of them.
Is there a link? I don't
And-
think there's a link. I think there are four separate stories, and they're just going. I just don't get it. I'm somewhere between intrigued
Also-
and confused.
Yeah, for sure. I do not understand. It's like I don't even have words how to portray my reaction.
The
after this,
trailer is just not. I mean, if I would have not done this for the this video,
I would have not watched.
I
the
would
movie.
have just not watched the movie. I would have not watched the movie
For
after
sure.
this trailer.
For sure.
Oh my god.
For sure, I would have not watched it because it's confusing, and we go and watch movies to relax our mind and not use 100% of our brains watching the movie and trying to decipher what's
I mean,
going
we
on.
can, but they have to tell us something. Like we don't know anything. What's gonna happen in the movie?
Yeah, they're just giving like such vague things in the movie. I
Yes.
do not get it. And
Okay, without thinking more about the trailer because it's exhausting, let's go and watch the
And
movie
if I
now.
think anything more, I will not watch the movie, but I'm forced to, so I will.
Yeah, I hope our review changes. I really hope our review changes after
I
seeing the movie.
sincerely hope so.
Yeah. So
I
let's just
sincerely
go and watch the movie.
I legit think that Pankaj Tripathi is the game master because someone just made a comment that life is a Ludo and everybody's fates are in the hands of him. So I think the him, and after they cut the scene, I think the him they're referring to is Pankaj Tripathi.
I have been not more than 15 minutes into the film, and the first Rajkumar Rao scene, and oh my god, his acting. All of them actually. Acting of the actors is making me watch it further. So I'm getting a little excited about what's happening.
I like this line a lot. Tinder के ज़माने में किताब में भेजा हुआ प्रेम पत्र. Legit good line for Aditya Roy Kapoor.
I think around half an hour or 45 minutes you'll get the plot. Like you'll get how all of it is, connected, and it's very well framed. I'm impressed.
I cannot believe it. Throughout the movie, asked for favors, like illegitimate favors, and he's a dumb fool in love and keeps on saying, yes, I will do this work, yes, I will do this work. Oh my god.
The one thing that I and Tanvi both analyzed from the trailer was that there are 4 plots, and it is turning out to be true. There are 4 plots, there's no real connection, but it's all connected. If it makes sense. and I just got done. I am surprised, and I would want to say that I'm pleasantly surprised. Trailers can be deceptive. The movie was nothing like the trailer. The trailer was so confusing, so exhausting, and I can't wait for Tanvi to complete it.
I somehow knew from the beginning, first explosion, that was Yamraj and Chitragupta. Somehow I just made that connection and I knew it, and I feel so glad about it.
So we both come to this one conclusion that
Go watch
go
it.
and watch it.
I mean, I've never been more wrong in life. This movie was a
It's
5
just
on 5
so
for me.
10 on 5. It's that brilliant. It's so put together. I mean, I've said it like 1000 times in this video that nothing's connected,
Yeah.
but still everything is
I
connected.
mean, even though it's not like all 4 stories have any correlation with them except for this one person, but it seems like everything is so matched and the pieces are put together so nicely. I mean, I loved the movie.
It's brilliantly put together, directed, written, everything. We were so wrong about the trailer.
So wrong.
Like way too long, and we're so excited. It's 1 at night and we're both done with the movie now and still we're so energetic.
I mean, I cannot stop talking about this movie and how good it was. And intentionally, I agree, both of us had our skepticals towards watching this movie. I was very skeptical that I have to devote like 2.5 hours to watching this movie.
Yes, and it was in Hindi, in like Desi language. It was a paisa vasool
movie.
2.5 hours of our lives.
For sure. And,
Yes.
Agrima, as Agrima said, that she was intrigued with like 5 minutes within the movie.
Yes, within like the confusion that we had, that if are we confused or intrigued, that
Yes.
changed, and boom, we were
For
intrigued.
sure.
Like what's gonna happen? What's
And,
gonna happen?
It's not like any of the other movies, like it gets like a little fika in the middle. It's not like that. It's bomb in the starting, middle, and the ending. I mean, the ending is so good.
Yeah, and it's not even monotonous.
You don't
like,
get bored.
even though it is the
Yeah.
same pitch. You just can't get bored, no matter how hard you
Yeah.
try. So we had this idea, like a preconceived notion that it's going to be bad. Maybe that is the
liked it
reason
so
we loved
much.
it so much, because we had zero expectations and
So
it turned
good.
out so well.
Honestly speaking, not
It was a
exaggerating.
fantastic
Honestly
movie.
speaking, not exaggerating. It was good and it's worth a watch. And I loved it.
100%. Loved it. Just go and watch it. I don't know if you're watching it after watching the movie and you're our friends, then why didn't you tell us
this
about
movie?
it before?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so just go and watch it. It's a brilliant
Yes,
movie.
for sure.
So, what was your favorite scene?
Oh my god, it's so tough to choose like one favorite
swear.
scene out of this
Yes.
movie. But you know, the moments between Bittu and Minnie were like
I was going
Kinda
to say
sweet.
that. You literally
Kind-
just took away my answer.
Also, I really like the climax of the movie. It's not like, you know, you cannot take your eyes off the screen for a second.
Yeah,
And
I
yeah.
mean, if you have to choose one scene, you can't, because it's also, mentally occupying, but still you don't have to, brainstorm everything. It's very clear.
Yeah.
It's very clear. It's very relaxing, but at the same time, it's like very
What was your
fast, but
favorite
it's
scene?
still. My favorite scene was the end of the plot where Bittu and Minnie, depart.
Yeah.
I mean, the way she waves
Definitely.
at him, and the way, Abhishek Bachchan reacts, and the way he acts, and then he meets his daughter. It's
Own
like
daughter.
so.
Yeah.
It's
It was
so
very
touching.
emotional.
Yeah, it was very emotional. I was on the verge of crying.
I did. Okay, well,
You
it
did?
won't be visible in the time lapses, but I did.
Yeah.
I did
I
shed
mean,
a
it was
tear or
very.
two.
And
Yeah,
oh my
yeah.
god, can we please take a moment to appreciate all of the actors? Like from the
All of
police
them,
officer.
like all of them.
Yeah, from the
From
police
the police officer to Manu,
yes.
to everybody,
Oh my god.
and the
Bang
cast
on.
did a really good job.
This movie is a must watch. Please do not miss it, guys.
Yes.
Please don't.
Yes, please.
We're super satisfied, and we hope that we do watch nice movies even
Yes.
further. And you can also leave your suggestions in the comment section if you want us to continue
And-
with the series.
Yeah. Yes.
And
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
also hit the
And
notification
also,
bell. Thank you for watching.